Hey guys, this is Terabox review, and how safe is it? So guys, we are going to review Terabox and see just how safe it really is. So I will be discussing 4 points for you guys to ensure if it's safe. So let's get started. So for the first one is encryption. So guys, Terabox uses strong encryption to keep your files secured. This means that your data is protected while being transferred and when it is stored on their servers. So it's like having a digital lock and a key for your files. So now for the second one is data redundancy. So guys, Terabox stores multiple copies of your files in different locations, and this ensures that your data is safe even if one of their servers has an issue. So now let's talk about the third point. So for the third point is their privacy policy. So guys, Terabox has a strict policy and it promises you not to sell or share your data with third parties. So guys, this is very crucial for maintaining your privacy and security online. This is why I think Terabox is safe. So now for the last point that we have is the user control. So guys, Terabox gives you full control over your files and you can manage who has access to your data, and you can set sharing permissions and adding an extra layer of security. So guys, the question is Terabox safe? So with strong encryption, data redundancy, a clear privacy policy, and a full user control, it offers a solid security for your files in 2024. So guys, if you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews and tips. And thanks for watching. Stay safe. See ya.